Hi, this is Luke from Toolbox Plus. Today we have a 2003 Mazda 6, stock number 6081. This ran from 09 2002 to 07 2005. It has an L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 4-speed automatic transmission. This is the L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight needs polish. Left front guard no dents. Front bonnet no dents. Left front 17-inch factory aluminium maggot tyre. Left front mirror. Left front door no dents. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 17-inch factory aluminium maggot tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear boot lid no dents. Right rear tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory aluminium maggot tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right front door mirror. Right front guard no dents. Right front headlight needs polish. Right front 17-inch factory aluminium maggot tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Automatic gas shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory 6-stack stereo. Display cluster. Front glove box department. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,